Did you know that aluminum produced from recycled cans and scrap uses only 5% of the energy that it takes to produce aluminum from ore? Did you know that recycling one aluminum can saves enough energy to run a TV for 3 hours? Did you know that every year Americans waste over $2 billion worth of energy when they throw away their aluminum cans rather than recycling?
Welcome to Golden Aluminum, a Colorado institution born out of the Coors Brewery, where we are the industry leaders in manufacturing the most sustainable, high-quality aluminum sheet used for packaging applications.
Of all products used for packaging, aluminum is the most recyclable. Nearly 3/4 of all aluminum ever made remains in use today. At Golden Aluminum, you will find examples of this recyclability in our new family of alloys we call Infinity Alloys.
The Infinity family consists of alloys that are made up of 60 to 90% recycled aluminum beverage cans. The 5017 alloy, which is part of the Infinity family, was originally developed at Golden Aluminum in the mid-1980s as a key component of Coors Brewing Company's aluminum recycling efforts.
Golden not only created this highly recycled alloy, but also promotes its use, along with that of the other alloys in our Infinity alloy family, throughout the industry. Last year alone, Golden Aluminum recycled over 100 million used beverage containers. Along with used beverage cans, Golden Aluminum also uses other recycled aluminum products such as electrical conductive wire, scrap from the lid and tab making process, and leftover scrap from road sign production. Our usage of recycled aluminum first requires us to shred and delacquer the material. The delacquering process removes paint, moisture, and foreign debris contained on or in the containers. The delacquering kiln heats up to 1,000 degrees in order to perform this task. Leftover gases from the process are incinerated to eliminate pollution, and surplus heat from the process is returned to the kiln to avoid waste. Our material then enters our furnace and is turned into molten aluminum. From this point, it is then sent to our caster mini mill, which is the most efficient and cost-effective system in the industry. This technology is energy efficient, with greater flexibility than the standard aluminum industry sheet technology, and allows us to expend less than half the energy it takes our competitors to produce the same amount of material. Golden Aluminum's focus on sustainability does not end with our efforts to maximize aluminum recycling. We continually strive to apply sustainability to all aspects of our business process. In our caster rolling mill department, we have improved our sustainability efforts by recycling wastewater and reusing it in our cooling tower.
By recycling the water, we are able on an average day to save over 13,000 gallons, which equates to nearly 5 million gallons of water saved each year.
Golden Aluminum has made an effort to save energy by installing energy-efficient lighting throughout our facility. This lighting has allowed us to improve illumination by 50% and, coupled with motion-activated switches, has allowed us to lower our use of electricity by over 1 million kilowatt hours a year. Customer pallet return programs and the recycling of pallets with end users and pallet supply companies is another way we recycle in our facility.
Over 40% of all pallets Golden Aluminum ships to our customers are returned for repair and reuse. We also participate in returning pallets to our suppliers. The pallets that remain at Golden are shipped out to be shredded for compost in an effort to make sure 100% of the pallets at our facility are recycled.
Golden Aluminum's sustainability efforts are focused on our transportation needs as well. Over 80% of our freight carriers participate in the government's SmartWay program. SmartWay is a commitment by the carriers to constantly track and improve their equipment, technology, and strategies to save fuel and lower emissions. We also have prohibited idling at our facility by trucks waiting to get loaded or unloaded in an effort to lower greenhouse emissions and continue to search for opportunities to improve on reducing our transportation carbon footprint. Here at Golden Aluminum, we are committed to sustainability and are constantly looking for additional opportunities to improve. As part of the Supplier Excellence in Managing Sustainability program, we are looking into projects that would capture and reuse waste heat from our systems, minimizing use of materials, as well as possible alternative energy sources for the future, such as wind and solar. Here at Golden Aluminum, we do not want to just be involved in using recycled material. We want to be a leader who promotes the use of recycling not only in the aluminum industry, but also throughout the business world.
Golden Aluminum was originally conceived to maximize sustainability by optimizing the use of recycled material and reducing energy costs in the manufacturing of aluminum sheet used in food and beverage containers. Today, we continue the leadership role by promoting and incorporating the benefits of recycling and continuous casting with all of our stakeholders.